window doesn't go up and down as it should on your BMW, we will explain guys how to fix that in no time. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys, E90, 91, 92, 93. This is guys practically the 3 Series BMW from year 2006 to year 2013. If you want to see guys how to initialize power window, how to reset power window, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. You need to do that after sometimes even battery replacement, window motor replacement, window regulator, all that will be covered guys step by step for your convenience today. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix pretty much anything. Transmissions, engine codes. Why we guys do that? Because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you guys need to buy any parts for your BMW, any car, any make, any model, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So let's start on it now. So what do you guys need to do now? You need to come inside. Now insert your key, right? Insert the key. Do not press guys, okay, the brake pedal. Press the start button, get the dash lights on, okay, like this one. So now guys, sometimes you can do that, okay, you can do that through the front window switch. If it's on a rear window, you may need to do it on its own switch. We'll check now. But what you guys need to do, okay, here in most cases you need to have, okay, your door closed all the way. So close your door guys. Okay, now we're going to press the window switch and we're going to keep pressing, okay, until the window comes all the way down. Now once it's down, press that switch and hold it for about 15 seconds guys, 15 to 20 seconds even. So we still keep waiting here. That's about 10 seconds here. Okay, so let's see now, still going there. That's going to reset the pinch protection, practically turn it off. Perfect. Now we're going to bring that window up. Okay, again it doesn't want to go, so we have to go back and forth. Okay, it's closed. Let me open the sunroof so we can get just a little bit more light inside the car guys, so we can see better as well, because I do not have the camera light today. But okay, perfect. Now what do we need to do? When the window is all the way up, you're going to pull that button, okay, and to the second position. It has 2 clicks, up, open. 1 second, you heard a click. Now bring it down. Okay, when you bring it down and it stops, click on to the second position until you hear a click. Okay, now bring it all the way up. Hold the button up. Let go. Now click again. And now if I press the button down all the way, the window will go down. And now if I press it to go up, it's going to close on its own. So that's how you initialize, reset the window regulator, window motor on BMW. So if you have a BMW 3 Series E90, 91, 92, 93 guys, and if you want to see how to reset, initialize window after window regulator replacement, window motor or battery replacement, that's how we do it guys. Not very complicated. It will take you less than 2-3 minutes to do all the windows in your car, but usually you need to go to the window itself. Always try it from the driver's side master window switch, but if it doesn't work, you need to specifically go to the other window that you need to initialize and make sure that all the doors are closed as well. Now guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Please guys, check them out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.